Candida here, and this is the Humble and Hustle neon light. I was so excited to get this and put it in my office just to personalize my space. I'm on Zoom all day long, and I wanted to spice up my background and have something a little bit of fun, but also inspiring behind me. This was super easy to put up. It's got the two holes here, and so we simply chose just to nail this into the wall. It does come with a chain and hooks, and so there's a variety of ways to actually put it up. It's lightweight, it's easy to put in, and it has the USB cord. So all I have to do is plug this in. The cord itself is nice in length, and so I didn't have any issues plugging this into a nearby outlet. When I plug it in, it's got different dimmers, so I can make it bright or I can dim the light on it, and it also has the off switch. So if I want to turn it off, I can simply push the button. And if I want to make it brighter, I am able to adjust the brightness with the push of a button. I love how much light it actually puts out. I was actually surprised by it, but last night I turned off the lights in my office and this was plenty of light. I actually liked how it looked from the outside of my office. Overall, I've been very happy with the light, and I love the fact that I was able to personalize my space. Neon lights are great for any room, and I love the fact that I can add them all over from my office to bedrooms, even the gym, and give it a personalized touch. So I hope you found the review helpful.